Mir, she is doing a documentary about Ahmadiyya persecution, especially people who are migrating in Pakistan because of their persecution.
Where are you from originally?
I'm born and raised in Denmark, but I'm from Pakistan.
From Pakistan.
What I would like to know is that a lot
So
of...
you know the Pakistani psyche.
Yes, I do.
So
a little bit.
most of the question can be answered by yourself.
That is true. But what I'm interested in knowing is that a lot of Ahmadis who come from Pakistan find a home in Britain. Do you fear that
Not
they
only
might...
in Britain,
but
they have been
all
going
over the
to
world.
even to European countries, other European countries, Britain, to America, North America, to South America. Even now, they have some of them have started going to Africa and West African countries.
But specifically in the UK, do you fear that they might face
Because
the
they
same...
think that I am here, that their leader is here, so they should come under the protection of their leadership.
And but what I'm wondering is that
But-
do you fear that they might face the same form of discrimination in the UK from the wider Muslim community?
As long as the law of law prevails here and is being practiced here, I don't think they will be. But whenever the injustice starts, they will face. Yes. Injustice, whenever the injustice starts, they will face.
Thank you very much.